they tried to defeat them. One time there was a bat. He was trying to look for food, but he couldn't. He was so hungry, he couldn't go home. Then one day he found a pig. Then he tried to eat him, but he had good teeth. He could bite the bat. Then the bat tried to capture him, but he got his teeth on one of my wings. Then they started a fight. Then one of them almost killed one of them. The pig almost got hurt by the bat. Then the bat tried to get him again.